Question number 12. External shopping cues are a type of marketing that uses obvious messaging. A display featuring a new product, for example, or a buy one get one free offer, to entice consumers to make spontaneous purchases. In a study, data scientist Sam K. Hui and colleagues found that this effect can also be achieved with a less obvious cue: rearranging a store's layout. The researchers explained that trying to find items in new locations causes shoppers to move through more of the store, exposing them to more products and increasing the likelihood that they'll buy an item they hadn't planned on purchasing. Which response from a survey given to shoppers who made a purchase at a retail store best supports the researchers' explanation? Is it A, I needed to buy some cleaning supplies but they weren't in their regular place? While I was looking for them, I saw this interesting notebook and decided to buy it too. B, I didn't buy everything on my shopping list today. I couldn't find a couple of the items in the store even though I looked all over for them. C, the store sent me a coupon for a new brand of soup, so I came here to find out what kinds of soup that brand offers. I decided to buy a few cans because I had the coupon. D, this store is larger than one that's closer to where I live and it carries more products. I came here to buy some things that the other store doesn't always have. What we need is that, according to this data scientist Sam K. Hui, the effect is that if you rearrange the store's layout, when the shoppers are trying to find the items, they get exposed to more products, and that increases the likelihood that they'll buy something which they originally had not planned to buy. So, which should we choose? So, if you said A, well done, that is the right answer. Choice A is the best answer because it best supports the researchers' explanations of the results of rearranging the store's layout. According to the text, Sam K. Hui and colleagues found that rearranging the store's layout can encourage customers to make spontaneous purchases. So the text states that the researchers explain that a change in layout causes shoppers to hunt for items, new locations, which exposes the shoppers to more products and increases the likelihood that they'll make an unplanned purchase. So this quotation from a surveyed shopper indicates that the shopper spontaneously purchased a notebook. So what did she buy? She originally came to buy some cleaning supplies, but because they weren't in the regular place, she went looking and then she found notebooks, and she found this interesting notebook and she decided to buy it. So this quotation from a surveyed shopper indicates that the shopper spontaneously purchased a notebook while looking for cleaning supplies that weren't in their usual place. So this quotation therefore supports the researcher's explanation. Rearranging the store's layout can lead to shoppers to make unanticipated purchases. And B is incorrect because it doesn't support the researcher's explanation that rearranging a store's layout can lead shoppers to make unanticipated purchases. Instead of attributing an unplanned purchase to a change in layout, the quotation notes that the shopper searched for but couldn't find items, and as a result, the shopper purchased less, not more, than what was anticipated. So this will not support the researcher's claim. And choice C is incorrect because the quotation attributes what was purchased to coupons that the shopper received, not to a new store layout. Thus, the quotation doesn't support the researcher's explanation that rearranging a store's layout can lead shoppers to make unanticipated purchases. So this is just about coupons. And choice D is incorrect because the quotation attributes what was purchased to the size and stock of the store, not to a new store layout. And the shopper simply purchased products that the shopper wanted in a particular store because other stores didn't carry those products. So the quotation doesn't support the researcher's explanation that rearranging a store's layout can lead shoppers to make spontaneous purchases. So this one is just about this shopper going to a larger one because it carries more products and she wants the other choices which the larger stores have. So we can clearly see that A is the best answer. So I hope that's it.